Hello everyone, welcome to Peacock Way, welcome to my channel. In today's card making project, I'll be using this A2 size cardstock, and then I'll be using this embossing folder. It is from Sizzix. It's a 3D embossing folder. I have sprayed water on this paper, then I used my Big Shot to get the texture. So I will be using this for the background, and after this I will also use these leaves. So I have used this die to cut those leaves, so I have made those few of them, so I'll be using all those for this project. So let's have fun. Now for the background, I'm using Distress Oxide. I will put all the list in the description box below. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, click on the thumbs up icon and leave your comments below. That will help a lot. Now I'm using different color in Distress Oxide to give the little bit of natural look. Now I'm going to stick those small strips of paper . I'm going to stick on the cardstock and cut the excess. Now I'm going to start putting all the leaves and flowers. While I'm sticking all these leaves, I'm going to put the music on so you can enjoy the music and watch me finishing this card. Now that I have put all the elements together, I'm going to stick this sentiment on the card. I'm using this double-sided foam, and I'm going to stick that on the center of the card. So this finishes my first card. Now for the second card, I have used this embossing folder and I have already prepared this paper, and now I'm going to stick on the cardstock. Now I'm using this pattern paper and also the black cardstock. And this is about 2 inches. Now I'm going to start sticking all those leaves and stems. You can use any leaves and stems if you have it. It doesn't have to be the similar kind, but you can use whatever you have it, and you can even use the different color of pattern paper also. I'm putting it in layers so it will look nice. So now after this I'm going to get this twine, and I'm already made it like a bow. So now I'm going to stick that bow on the bottom of the card. I had to use lot of glue for that to stick because it's a thick twine. Now for the sentiment, I'm again using my MISTI and a stamp. I'm using archival ink for the stamp. Now I'm going to trim it using my cutter. I'm using again my double-sided foam. Now both the cards are ready. I'm going to finish it using my sequence. So this finishes my card making project. If you like it, please subscribe and click on the thumbs up icon. That will help a lot. You can see the close-up pictures in the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks. Bye.